Welcome back, everyone. It's game time. I'm back from vacation and I see something new hit the market, and here it is. This is Absolute. I had opened some of the blaster boxes of this before I went on vacation, and I think at that time I was asking myself and you guys whether or not Absolute was going to be another one of those things that Panini did like retail only. But as we can see, that is not the case. Since I was on vacation for so long, I'm behind on everything, so I'm not even sure exactly how many packs or cards come in here. I see you get 3 mini boxes, and it looks like 3 autographs and 2 mem. Let's see, hobby exclusive rookie premier materials autos, 1 per box. Again, I'm not quite sure how many. Oh wait, there we are. Here it is. I couldn't see it. It's 5 cards per pack, 3 packs per box, so only 15 total cards in there. So this will be a fast break. Let's get into it. See what we can get. I have ordered some of the Bowman Tech, which it's another product that doesn't have a ton of cards in it, but it does have several autographs. I think 4. I've got a couple of boxes of that on the way for you. I'll show that to you guys as soon as it comes in. I think it's going to be here tomorrow, and hopefully it actually comes out and doesn't get delayed, or maybe it already has. I think it's already shipped, so I guess that's a good sign. I'm still waiting on the hobby boxes of Topps Archives to get here or be released. Alright, so you get the little box and the 1 little pack. It's kind of a similar setup to other years with Absolute. I've already seen what the base card looks like from the blaster boxes. Nice foil card. Alright, we're starting off with Devonta Freeman, as you've already seen, and here is a parallel Armani Watts, numbered out of 100. Good looking card there. You can see it's numbered down here. Armani Watts for the, who does he play for? Oh, the Chiefs. And then we have a Nyheim Hines rookie autograph. This is my 1 rookie premier materials out of 3.99. Sticker auto. 2 different types of material there, and then a ball. So not one of the quarterbacks, but whatever. 8-man rookie card and Jalen Ramsey, and that is box 1. Alright, let's see who we get now. It's a really thick card in here, that's for sure. Starting off with Joe Mixon, and then a 1-2 punch, Trubisky and Jordan Howard. Boy, the Bears look good. They lost, but they definitely looked good. They're going to be an exciting team to watch this year. Iconic Ink Pepper Johnson for the Giants. Another sticker autograph. I don't think this is, it's not numbered. Second hit, and then a Derrick Henry numbered Tools of the Trade, numbered out of 49. It's got a little bit of wear, ding type, not really a ding, but a fleck showing there on the corner. But I love Derrick Henry. It's a good looking card with a little patch and stitching there. So I like that. That's nice. Tom Brady, and that is box number 2. Alright, last one. thick card in the middle. What do we have so far? We're supposed to have 3 autos and 2 mem. We're at 2 autos and 1 mem. We have Adam Thielen. Here is a parallel Jester Weah to 25, so a super short print there. Signature standout Rashaan Evans autograph, another sticker, so no on-card autographs in this at all. And this is not numbered. And then our last, oh, this is a really good looking rookie prime patch of DJ Chark, numbered out of 99. Actually 4 colors. I don't know if you can see that little black down there at the bottom, but that is a really good looking patch. Then our last card is Julio Jones. This stuff, I'll look back through here. It's on the pricey side. I don't think I'm gonna buy another box. For what you get and what it costs, it's not really working out for me in my head. I mean, it's a good looking card. This is a good looking card. Nice thick heavy stock. I mean, these cards are fine and good, but this is to me the value's just not there. Obviously if I was to get some crazy big hit, I might say something a little bit different, but I doubt it. I've opened cards long enough to know, you know, when the balance is, I don't know, it's never really in your favor, but you know what I mean. When it, like with the Chronicles, which I love so much, there's value in the base cards, there's value everywhere. With this, you've got to get a great hit or there's just not much value. So probably just going to do 1 box of this unless the price drops, and I don't know, I'll see. Everybody comment below, let me know what you think about it. Did you buy one? Did you get any? Are you buying multiples? Anybody's like hit anything crazy good? That's it. Oh, speaking of Chronicles, I will have more of that for you guys coming up. You know, I'm a Chronicles nut, and like I said, I'll have the Bowman Tech, and I should have that tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm happy to be back with you guys. Hope you're all taking care and having a great night.